The top earners of 2025 won't be coders, marketers, or salespeople. They'll be the AI power users. And if you're not one of them yet, you're already playing catch-up. This isn't a basic ChatGPT tutorial. This is the blueprint. In this video, we're showing you the 9 game-changing AI skills you need to build serious wealth in 2025. These skills are ranked based on income potential, with the final one being the most powerful of all. And when we say powerful, we're talking about building automated systems that can replace entire teams, bring in consistent income, and do it all without code or guesswork. Watch until the end because you'll walk away knowing exactly which AI skills to learn, which tools to use, and how to actually make money using them. Whether you want to freelance, launch a product, or build an empire, these skills are your foundation. And if you're serious about building real wealth this year, stick around because the people who take this seriously today will dominate tomorrow. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's get into it. Skill #9, prompt engineering, $50, $100 divided by HR. Prompt engineering is where everything begins. It's not just about typing questions into ChatGPT or Claude and hoping for the best. It's about knowing how to talk to AI the way developers once talked to computers. When you master this, you unlock the full potential of every AI tool on the market. It starts by defining the role, telling the AI who it's supposed to act as. A CEO, a lawyer, a content strategist, a UI divided by UX designer. This shapes its behavior. Then comes the context. Real examples, actual business data, tone of voice, intended audience. The more relevant information we give, the smarter the output becomes. After that, we get surgical. Instead of vague prompts, we go ultra-specific. Like asking for 5 Gen Z email subject lines targeting eco-conscious skincare buyers. And finally, we define the format. Are we expecting a tweet, a list, a YouTube script, or a polished report? The clearer we are, the better the outcome. Great prompts are the difference between average work and top-tier results, and companies are finally realizing they need people who can communicate with AI as well as others communicate with clients. Skill #8, AI, assisted software development, $100, $200 divided by HR. Building software used to mean long hours, coding boot camps, and massive teams. Not anymore. Tools like Replit, Retool, and Cursor have made it possible to go from idea to working app in a weekend with the help of AI. Here's how. First, we pick a platform and let AI guide us. We ask it how to build a login screen, how to set up an API, how to connect a database. AI now speaks developer fluently and can walk us through everything like a tutor. Once we're familiar, we go looking for real problems, the kind small business owners, freelancers, and creators talk about on forums or social media. Then, we build a solution using drag-and-drop elements and AI-generated code. It doesn't have to be perfect. If it solves one specific problem and saves people time, they'll pay for it. And once it works, we can license it, white label it, or sell subscriptions. This skill isn't about becoming a coder. It's about becoming a problem solver who knows how to build solutions with AI as the co-pilot. Skill #7, AI design, $100, $200 divided by HR. Design used to require years of training and a full Adobe suite. Now, it requires vision and a good prompt. With tools like Midjourney, Doll, Adobe Firefly, and Leonardo, we can create anything from logos to product mockups in a few keystrokes. Want a luxury skincare brand logo with minimalist gold accents and a Parisian vibe? Describe it to AI. Need a full landing page wireframe? AI can build it and even export it into code using tools like Reloom or Figma plugins. But this isn't just for websites and visuals. We can restore old photos with Topaz, remove unwanted elements in seconds with Photoshop AI, and scale low-res images into high def. There's a market for all of this e-commerce sellers, local businesses, startup founders, and they're tired of paying high agency prices. If you can deliver beautiful, brand-ready visuals in a few hours using AI, you're exactly what they're looking for. It's no longer about pushing pixels, it's about pushing ideas forward, fast. Skill Hash 6, AI video editing, $100, $200 divided by HR. Video content rules the internet, but editing takes time, not anymore. AI video tools like Firecut, Opus Clip, and Descript let us cut, trim, subtitle, and transform videos at lightning speed. Imagine taking a 30-minute Zoom call and turning it into 10 short-form clips for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, all with captions, transitions, and viral hooks. These tools can remove filler words, clean up audio, and even suggest the best moments based on engagement patterns. And if we want to go a step further, we can create entire talking head videos using Synthesia or HeyGen, no camera, no mic, no lighting setup. This is perfect for coaches, influencers, business owners, or anyone who wants to look polished without spending hours filming. People don't want to learn Final Cut Pro anymore. They want results fast, affordable, and scalable. And that's what this skill delivers? Skill Hash 5, AI writing, $100, $200 divided by HR. Good writing is timeless, but AI writing is about making content happen at scale. It's not about asking AI to write an essay, it's about building content engines for people who already have something to say. Here's the workflow. Start with transcripts from interviews, coaching calls, or podcasts. Use AI to extract highlights, insights, and recurring phrases. Then, use that content to generate social posts, captions, newsletters, and product descriptions. AI helps us spin one idea into many with consistency in tone, format, and message. And if you want to go premium, you build a custom AI writer trained on someone's voice. Feed it their past writing, values, favorite phrases, and brand guidelines. Now you've got a writing system they can't get anywhere else. Clients don't want a robot. They want to sound like themselves more often, more clearly, and more professionally. That's what this skill makes possible. Skill Hash 4, AI content marketing systems, $200, $300 divided by HR. Arnold Schwarzenegger runs one of the most engaging newsletters and content brands online without ever recording his own voice. That's the power of AI systems, and it's a skill anyone can offer. Here's how it works. You start by defining the outcome. Is it a daily newsletter, a podcast, a YouTube channel? Then you reverse engineer the system. Use AI to write scripts, create thumbnails, generate social clips, post automatically, and track engagement. Every piece connects to the next. With tools like Cast Magic, Notion AI, and Content Fries, we can automate entire workflows. This isn't just content creation, it's content multiplication. A single video turns into 20 tweets, 10 LinkedIn posts, a podcast episode, and a lead magnet, all done without lifting a finger. Busy founders and creators don't want to manage content anymore. They want someone to run it for them, and this is how we become that person. Skill Hash 3. No. Code AI automation, $300, $400 divided by HR. Most businesses are drowning in manual work. Lead follow-ups, appointment reminders, order confirmations, onboarding emails, it's non-stop. AI automation puts all of that on autopilot. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, and N8N let us connect apps, move data, and trigger actions based on real-time events. But here's the key. We don't automate just for fun. We automate where money is leaking. Missed leads, delayed quotes, lost clients. We map out the business workflow, find the bottlenecks, and then use AI to plug the gaps. And when things get complex, we build co-pilot bots that support teams behind the scenes, answering questions, updating records, following up. It's like giving every employee their own assistant. The ROI on this is massive. And that's why clients don't see it as an expense. They see it as an investment in speed, reliability, and profit. Skill #2, AI data analysis, $300, $400 divided by HR. Every business has spreadsheets. Very few know what they mean. AI changes that. With tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Microsoft Copilot, we can help clients clean, understand, and act on their data, even if they're not data people. First, we clean it. Combine the files, remove the junk, standardize the formats. Then we enrich it. Pull in job titles, phone numbers, industry tags, revenue ranges, anything that gives context. And finally, we ask the right questions. What do your top customers have in common? Which emails drive the most conversions? Where's the churn happening? AI doesn't just analyze, it explains. And when we can hand a client a list of what to do next, based on their own data, we become the most valuable person in the room. This skill is not about dashboards. It's about decision-making. Skill #3. No, code AI agent development, $400, $500 divided by HR. This is the highest paying skill on the list, and for good reason. AI agents are replacing real jobs. That means they also create real value. When we build one well, we're not just saving time. We're building something that can run 24/7 without a break. The process is simple but powerful. Step 1, define the role. It could be a virtual sales rep, a support assistant, or even a research analyst. Step 2, feed it real-world material, past emails, SOPs, transcripts, customer questions. That's how it learns. Step 3, deploy it on a website, inside a CRM, on Slack. Monitor, refine, and improve. The more it runs, the smarter it gets. Companies are realizing they can scale without hiring more people. They just need someone to build the systems. And that's where we come in. One AI agent can save a company 6 figures a year. And that's exactly why this skill sits at number 1. If you've made it this far, you're not just a casual viewer. You're part of the small group of Luxo lovers who are actually ready to do something with this information. These 9 AI skills are not trends. They are the foundation of the new economy. If you build just one of them, you'll open doors. But if you build 3 or 4, you'll build a career that's future-proof and wildly profitable. So, if this gave you a new perspective, hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs to see it. Let us know in the comments which skill you're going to master first. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the notification bell so you never miss what's next. We're just getting started, and the future belongs to those who learn how to use AI now. This is Luxo-Life. See you in the next one.